and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable the Do Not Disturb mode feature on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result, should come back with settings. Open that up, and then you want to select System on the left panel, and then on the right side, select Notifications. Versus Do Not Disturb, notifications will be sent directly to the notification center. Toggle that on or off depending on your preference, and that's all you have to do on your Acer device. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.